Did you know an AI can now generate an entire 30-second cinematic video in a single shot? No cuts, no scene stitching, no complicated editing. And the craziest part? This isn't from OpenAI, Google, or Runway. It's coming from ByteDance's new Seedance 2.5, and the quality is making creators do a double take. ByteDance, the company behind TikTok, is preparing to release Seedance 2.5 in early July, and it comes with some major upgrades. The model can now generate videos up to 30 seconds long in a single shot, while maintaining scene consistency throughout the entire sequence. Seedance 2.0 has also gained native 4K output support, making the generated videos look even more professional. But that's not all. The platform now supports up to 50 reference images and assets, can work with 3D models, and introduces a new AI copyright platform designed for licensed IP creation. In short, ByteDance is positioning Seedance as a serious competitor in the AI video generation race. Let me show you why creators are paying attention.
Seedance 2.4K, made to see beyond. Every detail has a story. Time reveals what matters. Clarity changes the view. Possibility starts here. Seedance 2.4K.
Since early this morning, multiple abnormal incidents have been reported across different parts of the world.
You're sleeping in the shadows. Running with danger.
What happened? Get help! Turned into a paper cutout. Don't bend him.
No. No, my prompt.
Hello?
Is it fixed yet?
We're about to play your video at the event.
There's been a small, unexpected issue. I'll fix it right away. Just give me a few more minutes.
It appears that some higher dimensional entity is now repairing all of the anomalous phenomenon that occurred today.
And that's a quick look at ByteDance's upcoming Seedance 2.5 update. The big question is, could Seedance 2.5 become a real competitor to VO, Runway, Kling, and Pika? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoy these quick AI updates, make sure to subscribe to Rey Creators Lab. I cover the latest AI tools, creator tools, online tools, new features, and major updates, so you can stay ahead without spending hours researching. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next AI update.